Hello, my name is Miss Erin Drace, and here I am talking about my classroom website that we have established in our technology classroom. Here it is broken down into separate categories for each individual topic. One welcoming everybody and a picture of myself to know the students and the parents to get to know a little bit about what our grade is about and what we plan to learn in the future and what the new course schedule looks like. So to dive in, it was a little bit about me. Here is basically where I'm stating where I come from, what I like to do in my free time, just so the parents get to know a little bit about me, and if they have any reason to contact me, they are free to find my personal email and the school address and the school number if they need anything regarding their child. Student Corner is dedicated to how the students will find their recent projects. They find their schedule and what our daily schedule for the week. Each week it changes due to our special, but this is what our course schedule will look like each day when the students walk into class. I listed the specials that are going to be mentioned just by each day so the students can prepare for what day is what. Some assignments I labeled are our Kenya project. It's a major project the third grade classroom does where you are broken into groups and basically learn about the continent of Africa. The second assignment I'd like to establish is an all about me write-up. Basically, it's done in the beginning of the year just so each student gets to know a little bit about each other, and it's really fun, and you get to know everyone in your classroom. Class materials I put just so that the students know what to prepare for when it comes to our classroom. Parent Corner is dedicated to where all the parents can find out all information that the students might not be able to clarify during class. The parents will find that there's a newsletter I will put up for each month. I used October in this example just to see what upcoming things are for the month and important dates that they can follow. Some important dates that I put off to the side, not just in one regular calendar, is just main dates that people like breaks and math exams and the ELA exams, for example. I also labeled some frequently asked questions throughout the years of teaching that I've been given about like the absence limit, school trips and how parents are volunteered for, student projects and what they are expected of. If a child is struggling, they could always reach out to me, and if they don't understand, we could find alternative ways to figure out to help the child and the best way to keep in touch with me. Our classroom project every year, and it's super fun, is when the whole third grade classroom gets together and does a project on our state, New York. Each classroom is dedicated to a certain topic of the city. For example, the culture or transportation systems. Each classroom will have a different topic, and by the end of the 3-week process, we get together and make a giant convention for all the parents to see and what other classrooms have done. I added quick links as a resource for students if they struggle in any particular topic. They can use these websites for video information, anything they don't understand. For example, BrainPop is very popular. We use it in the classroom where they get to visualize a certain topic if they're not fully understanding it, if we are just discussing it in class. I love BrainPop. I'm a visual learner. Cool Math for Kids, the link cannot be shown due to the website, but it is a cool math website for gaming where students will understand multiplication, division, adding, subtracting, whatever they need. Fun Brain is the same thing, but has more in-depth, like reading and videos. They also do have a math section with games. National Geographic, this site cannot be shown due to the website, but if your kid loves the outdoors, they can see the wonders of nature and learn more about animals. I added the school website as our last link, just so parents know how to contact and fully see and access the website. Thank you.